Hey guys, this is Jason from Arium. This is tutorial video number 9, and this one is showing you how to use portals. So let's go into this world right now. Boom! This is a beach world that I just created. Look at this beautiful sky. Really good beach possibilities. Got some palm trees here, hanging out on the beach. Kind of like there's a storm coming. It's kind of like it's dusk and there's a storm coming or something. It's kind of a ominous beach. Anyways, if I don't want to stay on the beach for the entire time and I want to go back to another world, I am going to put a portal in. So let me show you how to do that. On the right hand side, you see the editor. And I just go to root. I'm going to add the element. And element name, I'm going to say portal to Nexus, because that's the world that I'm connecting it to. And in the selector, you'll see that there's a portal at the end. So select the portal. And I like to show helper because you can see the thing visualized in an easier way to see. And this target space allows you to basically go to any of the worlds. These are all my worlds. Your worlds will be a little less than this. These are all my worlds. I'm going to put it into Nexus, and I'm going to click Save. So let's see if we can find this portal world. Where is it? I think actually you have to move it a little bit to see it. So I'm going to adjust the Y position just a little higher. Now we can see it. There it is. Okay, that's a portal world. So that's pretty big. It's a little too big because once I go into there, I'm going to be transported. So I don't want to be too big. I don't want to accidentally go somewhere I don't want to go if I want to stay at the beach. So I'm going to click the uniform box, which kind of scales everything uniformly, and I'm going to click 0.2, 20% of it. All right, so it's a little below the ground. I'm going to go to the Y position and drag it up. Okay, there it is. Now, this alone will kind of give you, here, let's go into here. Just go into here. Oh, let me make it a little lower. All right, I think you have to adjust the height so that you're really in it. There you go. All right, so this brings me to Nexus, which is kind of like my intermediary worlds. And I've already created one going back to the beach here, so let's go back to the beach. All right, we're back at the beach now. Now, it's fine, but I kind of wanted to have a little bit of text just so people know that this is the way to go back to the Nexus or, to whatever other world you want. So under Portal to Nexus, I'm going to click down below, and I'm going to add a child element. And I am going to add a text. So I'm going to click text. In text settings, I'm going to say to Nexus, because that's the name of my intermediary world. I'm going to choose font size 1, so it's not too big. And depth, I'm going to put 0.1, so it's not too much. I'm going to click Save. All right, there you go. It says to Nexus here. Let's just change the color to red. All right, so you didn't change the depth, so let me change that to 0.5. There you go. To Nexus, I'm going to change its Y position by dragging up on the Y position, dragging up here. And I'm going to see how can I make it on top of the, okay, there you go. So I change the X position by dragging it down. And there you go. Now the text is above the portal. And if you're on the beach, you can see that this is the way to go back to the Nexus. So let's go in there again. All right. Now with the portal capability, it kind of changes the game in terms of you have a whole world now, basically. So these are all the worlds that I have, and if you're in any one of the worlds, you have access to all of the worlds. So it's much more interactive. Anyways, this is just a hope this gave you an insight into how to use portals. Happy creating.